Hello children, now we are going to start exercise 3.3. In that question number 2, first question, we have to find the values of x, y, z. It is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary and the diagonals bisect each other. These are the 4 properties which we will apply for the exercise 3.3. Now here angle B is 100 degree and other angles x, y, z, that you have to find it out. Now you know very well the first property says that opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equals to angle D, which is equals to 100 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So here if you want to find the value of z, it is what? Angle A plus angle B equal to 180. Then angle A is z, angle B is 100 degree is equals to 180. So z is equals to 180 minus 100 degree, which is equals to 80 degree. Now if you have got the angle A, that is 80 degree, so angle C will also be equal to 80 degree. Now we will move towards our next question. Next question, see here, this is the shape. You have to find the value of x, y and z. Here angle D is only given, other angles are unknown, but you can see here it is a parallelogram, so angle D and angle B will be equal. So if angle ABC, that is equals to angle D and angle ABC is equals to 50 degree, as angle D is 50 degree. Angle ABC and angle D is equal. So what you can write? This is 50 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So what you will write? Angle ABC plus angle Z, that is forming a linear pair. So here you can find the value of Z, which is equals to 130 degree. Now here you have got the value of x, which is equals to 130 degree. How you have got? See here, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, as it is supplementary. Angle A is x plus 50 is equals to 180. So angle x is equals to 130 degree. X is what? Angle A. Angle A is 130 degree, so angle C will be also 130 degree. Therefore the value of x is 130 and therefore the value of y is also 130 degree. So these are the values of this question. Now coming to the third question. Here you have to find the value of x, y, z. Children, see, x is here, y and z. In this triangle, here it is 90 degree, AOD is 90 degree. So BOC will also be 90 degree as opposite, vertically opposite angles. So x value will be equal to 90 degree. Now here BCO is 30 degree. So these are the two terms which are given. Now here x value is 90 degree. If I take the triangle BOC, in that triangle y plus x plus 30 equal to 180 degree. Y plus x, x is 90 plus 30 is equals to 180. So we will get the answer of y is equals to 60 degree. Now y answer you have got, but still you have to find the value of z. So how you can find it out? See children, BC, then BD and DA, it is forming what? It is forming a Z, right? When it is forming a Z, so alternate interior angles will be formed and alternate interior angles are equal. So here as AD is parallel to BC, BD is the transversal. So we can say that angle ODA and OBC both will be equal. Now OBC angle is what? OBC angle is 60 degree. So ADO will also be equal to 60 degree. Hence the value of YZ will also be 60 degree only. Now coming to the next question. See children, the next question, it is written that you have to find The measures of two adjacent angles are in the ratio 3:2. You have to find the measure of each angles of the parallelogram. The angles are given, but they are in the ratio. So what you can do? First I will draw the figure A, B, C and D. Adjacent angles are in the ratio 3:2. So what you can write? Angle A upon angle B is equals to 3/2. Now taking angle A is equals to 3x, angle B equal to 2x. Which property you can apply? You can apply that the adjacent angles of the parallelogram are supplementary. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 180. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180. 5x is equals to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 upon 5, which is equals to 36 degree. Now angle A is what? 3 into x. So keep the value of x. 3 into 36 equal to 108. Angle B is equals to 2x. So 2 into 36 is equals to 72 degree. If angle A is 108, angle B is 72, can you find angle C and D? Yes, angle A is equals to angle C. So this will also be equal to 108 degree. Now angle B is equals to angle D. So this angle will be 72 degree. Now coming to the next question. Question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle, measures x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. See children, here this is the shape. You have to find the value of x, y, z. It is very easy, right? Here angles are already given. Which angles are given? See children, EHP. EHP, that is 40 degree. POX, that is 70 degree. Can you find POH? Yes, POX is 70, so POH will be 110. Why? Because you will apply the linear pair. Here see, angle HOP plus POX equal to 180 degree. So HOP will be what? 110. They are forming the linear pair. Now if angle HOP is 110, so HEP will also be 110. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Now adjacent angles will be what? It is supplementary. So adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So addition of EHO plus HOP. EHO, that is angle H, and HOP. These both when we are taking, it is equals to 180 degree. So what is this angle is made up of two angles. Which angles? 40 degree and Z. Then HOP is what? 110. When you add these all is equals to 180, you will get the answer of Z. Z is equals to 30 degree. Okay children, now you have found the value of Z. Next step, what you will do? Here, next step in this, X value is what? 110. Z value is 30 degree. Can you find the value of Y? This is 30, this is 110. If this is, see, EP is parallel to OH, HP is the transversal, so it is forming a Z. This means what? Alternate interior angles will be equal. So children, what you can write it here, as it is forming alternate interior angle, if EHP is 40 degree, so angle Y will also be equal to 40 degree. So angle X is 110, angle Y is here 40 degree, value of Z is equals to 30 degree. Now other questions of exercise 3.3, we will do it in the next video, so watch the next video. Okay children.